break for a couple of weeks for Thanksgiving, that I'd go ahead and do a product review for you guys. Something that I just got in is this right here. It's a Degasser, otherwise known as a wine whip. So the product came, as you can see, it's all plastic with some plastic. To be honest, this appears to be perhaps some type of weed whacker line or similar. The packaging for this was not the greatest. It came laid out flat like this, and these were held down. There was no box, there was no nothing. It appeared to have been essentially a trash can liner for like a tissue trash can, like in a bathroom, one of those real thin, small bags. It looked like it was just simply placed over, folded over, and then taped into place. And then a label was taped and 2 stamps were taped to this portion of it. So, I mean, really shoddy. Nothing. I was really disappointed in the packaging that it came in. However, as you'll see in just a minute, this is a pretty decent little tool. My only concern with it is that it's awfully short. It only goes about halfway down a 5-gallon carboy. I would love to have this maybe 5-6 inches longer. However, when you attach this to a drill and start getting it going, the longer this gets, the more wobble this has out on the end, and it could get out of control. So I kind of see why they may have engineered it to this particular size. So at any rate, if you like this review, when you're done, Solstice Meadery on YouTube, go check us out. I do how-to tips, tricks, product reviews, and I make mead, which, if you're not familiar, is wine that's made with a primary fermentation sugar of honey. So again, Solstice Meadery, thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see you soon.
Hey guys, I decided to take this downstairs to my basement and put it through its paces so that you could see. As you can see, the fins here are pretty pliable. They will very easily move either in up position or down position as you draw it through the neck of a carboy. They're deceptively thin and do not appear that they would do much of anything. However, you'll see in just a second that this thing really does a really fantastic job of what it's supposed to do. Now, I already have mine locked and loaded into my drill. I would suggest that you lock down the plastic piece. Be careful and don't do it too hard. You could crack or damage it. I am using a variable speed drill here. I absolutely would not suggest using an impact drill. And as you can see, I'm spinning the dial, putting on its lowest setting, and you can see that it still, even on its lowest setting, spins significantly at a significant speed. Here it is at the highest setting, and you can see that's really whipping around. So we're going to put it back on the lowest setting, and we're going to stick it into a carboy and see how she does. Now, what I'm liking about this is that I'm doing this right now as if I were degassing a must. As you can see, there's very little movement on the surface of the water. However, you can't really see it very clearly in the video, but I can definitely see it from my vantage point there, and what I'm seeing is very little movement on the surface. However, it's really whipping it inside. So for degassing, slow speed or pulsated speed is great. And here, again, slow speed, doing it fairly consistently. You can see the water really whipping around now. You can actually see the air bubbles pull down into the thick must here in the water. giving it what for. And I'm about to turn it up just for grins and giggles. I'm going to turn it up to its highest, the drill's highest speed, just to see what will happen. And as I suspected, now you can see lots of air getting in there if you wanted to aerate it. However, spills can definitely happen. But you can see a lot of air being pulled down into that water. Really aerate your must and get it prepped for your yeast to do their thing. So again, I appreciate everyone watching my video, and if you'd like, please feel free to go to Solstice Meadery on YouTube and check us out. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it, guys.